Hello everyone, welcome back to my diaries. It's Joey, your homebody, introverted girly. I'm gonna start drying some florals. If you guys have been watching my channel for a long time, you know that I love to dry my florals. I just feel like it gives a bit more longevity to flowers since they are relatively short-lived, and I just really want to enjoy it to the fullest. So right now I am just gonna separate the flowers that I can dry versus the ones that I can't. For instance, anything with a lot of petals, unfortunately, are not the best for drying, just because once they dry, they become very brittle. Roses are really good for drying just because it's kind of layered and very tight knit. Unfortunately, these ones are pretty delicate. I don't think I've ever dried these florals before, but I might try it. This is beautiful. This is going to be perfect. Is the floral arrangement. So now I'm gonna take the florals and I'm gonna hairspray it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Hey, push my baby. Push my baby. Truthfully, life has been so amazing. And I've learned a lot in the last little bit with so much amazing change happening in my life. Lately, I've been rather quiet, and quiet in a good way. I just feel so much at peace. I've been doing a lot of reflecting, and what used to bring me joy has somehow shifted and kind of done the opposite. It's kind of been a blessing that it's happening now. I know that I am such a people pleaser. I used to focus so much on that and feel like my worth was associated with how much I give to other people. But lately, I've just been scaling back and really reflecting whether or not I'm overexerting myself. Me taking a step back selfishly has been the most peaceful thing. I don't know if it's because I'm in such a happier place where I just feel so much contentment being at home. My younger self, who was so focused on making sure everyone else was happy, that I really did neglect what I want. And I found so much of myself was kind of taken away. And I know for a fact, naturally, I will always be a people pleaser, but trying to set proper boundaries has been something that, I'm really striving to do. Investing my time in people who truly understand me. I think having friendship where your inner child comes out is kind of rare nowadays. I have this side to me that I don't think I show to a lot of people, and I wish it came out more. I really do. I think I'm just rambling at this point. But skin has been skinning, and I want to share my hacks for having amazing skin with your makeup. So stay tuned for that video. Tonight we are off to Chairman's, which is my favorite steakhouse in Calgary. From the ambiance to the service to the food, it is truly delicious. The beef tartare is always the highlight and the winner for me. Just came back from dim sum, went to Golden Sands, and yeah, we have no more plans today. Yesterday I went to Chairman's and it was delicious as always. It's always so good. I think that's one of the things I really appreciate when you go there is the consistency. I think we're just gonna hang out at home for the rest of the day. It snowed again. I think this is like the 7th, 8th round of nice weather, snow, nice weather, snow. So yeah. Anyways, I am gonna potato for the rest of the day.
I'm like puking outside. I'm puking. Sorry if you're eating.
I unfortunately did not wear my earrings for a long time. Had to slightly re-pierce my ear. Hence why it's like red right now, but I'm gonna keep an earring in so it doesn't close up again. Today is Monday. Lots of family stuff going on lately, so you know, took today off. We are having family dinner at Ginger Beef, and I've been really craving some Chinese seafood, so I am looking forward to this meal. Purposely only had a very light lunch today after the gym. Okay, so we're gonna do a very simple fit check. I'm just wearing a white tee, just wanted to be comfy. Got some flowy brown pants. Actually love the fit of this. I was like worried about this material being sheer, but I think we are good. I did a sunlight test, and then I just have a mini beige bag, super cash, and hair up because I'm just too lazy to do my hair. It is Juno's least favorite day. We are taking her to the vet and it's her annual checkup. I want to make sure she's all healthy. But yeah. Juno's not excited, but she has no idea yet. My bestie came over yesterday and got me tulips since it's tulip season. Soba prefers to be in the stroller, doesn't want to be walking around with the other dogs. Decided to stop at Moavii Bakery. Got a raspberry and turtle roll. Since we were in the area, we decided to check out HelloNori. We went at an off time so it wasn't too busy. Because we were still quite full, we only ordered a few select rolls. Honestly, loved everything. The only one that I would say I didn't like was the truffle lobster. For some reason, I just don't really care for truffle in a hand roll. Good morning. I'm up bright and early. There is a Swatch AP collab. Yeah. We knew our chances were slim for this watch. It was indeed impossible, so we decided to check out Shakeshack, which is newly opened inside Chinook Center. We lined up for 30 minutes before open, and there was already a pretty big line right at the door. We ordered 2 Smoke Shack burgers and 1 shroom burger with curly fries and a lemonade. All in, this was $60. Okay, starting off with a smoke burger. This is my go-to order whenever I'm at Shake Shack. I got the double patty, and it was exactly what I remember Shake Shack to be whenever I'm in the US. I loved the fact that it was packed with a lot of ingredients. They definitely did not cheap out on the bacon and peppers. Fries weren't overly salty, and it was very fresh and crispy. Lemonade was all right. This is probably a pass for me. Next up is the shroom burger. This was really, really delicious. There was a lot of cheese in there that melted perfectly with the mushrooms. Can definitely see why this is such a popular item on the menu. It is sunny finally after pouring rain all day. Now we're off to Chairman. Crazy because I think we scheduled this dinner in March, and life is just so busy for all of us. This is adulting. We're like literally making appointments with each other just so we can see each other and enjoy each other's company.